Hello once again. We come to you with another short video on how you can install the VPNSafetyDot app on your Android phone. This is going to be a very quick guide, so please follow every step carefully. If you aren't familiar with the VPNSafetyDot service yet, let me explain it in a few words. VPNSafetyDot monitors the connection status of your VPN regularly and gives you visual feedback on whether you're connected or not. Installing this app will enable a flashing icon to appear in the upper right-hand corner of your screen to indicate whether you're connected to a VPN or not. VPNSafetyDot is a great tool for granting peace of mind whenever streaming on your device, as with this time-savvy app, there's no need for you to interrupt your streaming experience and switch to your VPN app to check if it's working or not. You can immediately check if your traffic is routed securely through your VPN provider or if you're connected with your real IP address. A green dot indicates that your VPN is active, whereas a red dot shows that it's not active. And the most frequently asked question is, does VPNSafetyDot include a VPN? No, VPNSafetyDot is just the VPN monitor for your Fire Stick. There's no standalone VPN available in the VPNSafetyDot. You need an active VPN subscription. Let's catch up and jump directly into the guide to see how everything works. 1. Open your Android browser and search for getsafetydot.com at the URL bar. 2. The file will instantly download on your device, so you don't need to take any action at this point. 3. Patiently wait few seconds for the file to download and click Open when it's done. 4. For security reasons, your Android phone isn't allowed to install unknown apps, but don't worry, VPNSafetyDot won't harm your device at all. Go to Settings to make sure the installation starts. 5. Swipe the Allow from this source toggle. 6. Hit Install. 7. Open the app right away and click on Open. 8. Go to Continue to set up your account. 9. Don't mind the notification box that VPNSafetyDot shows and just press OK. 10. Start your journey with VPNSafetyDot and choose Start. 11. Swipe the On toggle to enable the app to do its magic. 12. To customize this VPN indicator, click on the 3 vertical dots menu and go to Adjust Settings. Let's make a few arrangements. At this step, feel free to adapt everything based on your needs. 13. If you want to launch the VPNSafetyDot app on boot, so you don't have to reopen the app as soon as you restart your phone, there is a solution for it. Swipe through the toggle right to turn on VPNSafetyDot on device boot. Time to connect to the VPN. 14. Open your VPN service and take a test. I've been using IPVanish for years now, and I trust it as one of the best and most reliable VPN services on the market. 15. Make sure to connect your VPN and see what the VPNSafetyDot indicator shows on the top right of the screen. We launched Google, and a live football app on the green dot indicator is already blinking. That means we are safe to go and surf with peace of mind. Well, that was it. Easy, right? Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe if you liked this video and want to stay updated with the newest ones.